Hello and welcome to our 30-part series of Sun Tzu's quotes from his timeless masterpiece, The Art of War. This is part 1. Let's dive in. Are you a salesperson, sales manager, or business owner trying to gain a competitive edge in the market? Look no further than the words of ancient Chinese military strategist Sun Tzu, who once said, "The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting." This quote emphasizes the importance of strategic planning and negotiation in achieving success. In sales, the ability to close deals and win customers without resorting to aggressive or manipulative tactics is crucial. Rather than forcing a sale or pushing a customer into a decision, a skilled salesperson can use strategic planning and negotiation techniques to build rapport, identify needs, and provide solutions that meet the customer's goals. Imagine you're a salesperson trying to close a deal with a potential client. Instead of focusing solely on the product or service you're selling, take the time to understand the client's needs and goals. Ask open-ended questions to gather information and insights into their business, and identify areas where you can provide value and help them achieve their objectives. Once you've established a relationship and gained the client's trust, you can use negotiation techniques to close the deal. Rather than offering a one-size-fits-all package, tailor your offering to meet the client's specific needs and budget. Use active listening skills to understand their concerns and objections, and address them in a respectful and empathetic manner. As a sales manager or business owner, it's important to encourage your team to adopt a strategic approach to sales and customer relationships. Provide training and support to help them develop their negotiation and communication skills, and emphasize the importance of building strong, long-term relationships with clients. By applying the principles of strategic planning and negotiation, you can achieve your objectives without resorting to aggressive or confrontational tactics. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, as well as a competitive advantage in the market. In conclusion, Sun Tzu's quote highlights the importance of using strategic planning and negotiation to achieve success in sales and business. By taking the time to understand the needs and goals of your customers, and using active listening and negotiation techniques to build relationships and close deals, you can achieve your objectives without resorting to aggressive or manipulative tactics. Remember, the supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to look out for part 2 of this 30-part series. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Buy us a coffee to help this channel grow. Take care and have a great day.